Welcome to my channel. Hey there, folks, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an important topic to discuss: CCTV camera errors and solutions. So, if you're dealing with any issues or just want to up your security game, stick around because we've got you covered. Segment 1. Common CCTV camera errors. Let's kick things off by talking about some of the most common CCTV camera errors that you might encounter. Error number 1, blurred footage. Have you ever reviewed your camera feed only to find that everything's out of focus or blurry? It's frustrating, right? Error number 2, no signal. Your camera seems to have gone MIA, and you're left with nothing but a black screen. Not ideal. Error number 3, infrared glare. Sometimes, your camera's night vision might be impaired by annoying glare or reflections. How can you address this issue? Segment 2, solutions. But don't fret, my friends. We've got solutions to tackle these pesky errors. Solution 1, blurred footage. For blurred footage, check your camera's lens. It might just need a good clean. You'd be amazed at how much a simple wipe can improve the image quality. Solution 2, no signal. If you're dealing with the dreaded no signal error, try resetting your camera. A simple reboot can work wonders. And, of course, check your cable connections. Solution 3, infrared glare. To combat infrared glare, consider repositioning your camera. Ensure it's not facing any reflective surfaces, which can distort your night vision. Segment 3, expert tips. But wait, there's more. We've got some expert tips to make sure your CCTV system stays in tip-top shape. Expert tip number 1, regular maintenance. Make it a habit to clean your camera lenses and check for loose cables. Prevention is key. Expert tip number 2, firmware updates. Keep your camera's software up to date to ensure it's working at its best. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. A quick guide on dealing with CCTV camera errors and solutions. Remember, keeping an eye on your security system is essential for peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more informative content. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one. Stay safe and stay secure, everyone. Until next time, bye. Thanks for watching.